Today, I'm going to guide you through enabling dark mode in the REDnote app. Dark mode isn't just stylish, it's easier on your eyes, helps save battery life, and enhances your late-night scrolling experience. First, ensure your REDnote app is up to date by heading to the App Store or Google Play Store. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and settings available. Once your app is updated, open REDnote and go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, locate the gear icon near the Edit Profile button. Tap it to access your settings. From the Settings menu, select General Settings, which should be the second option from the top. Within General Settings, you'll find a Dark Mode option under the Display section. Here, you'll have two choices. Enable Dark Mode manually. If you want REDnote to stay in dark mode all the time, toggle the dark mode switch on. Sync with device settings. If you prefer REDnote to follow your phone's theme, select Use Device Settings. This will automatically enable dark mode whenever your device is set to a dark theme. And that's it. Your REDnote app is now in dark mode, giving you a sleek and comfortable browsing experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more REDnote tips and tutorials.